What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to introduce you guys this whip that we got for free. Me and my cousin, my cousin's over there. We got it for free. We went and picked it up, and well, yeah, we got it for free. It was like a 2.5-hour drive, but we got it for free. Honestly, we're gonna rebuild the car because it's worth it. I mean, the car, it's not looking good right now. It's closed. Okay. It's not looking good, but we're gonna clean it up right now, make it look a little bit nicer. The catch with this car is that it's automatic and the motor is blown, so we're gonna have to figure something up and come up with the motor or something. But the only reason of why I was interested in the car was because of these headlights. I was thinking I could just get the car, part it out, take the headlights from my car. But we thought about it, and honestly, it's worth fixing the car. So we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna rebuild it basically. So we're gonna change some things up, such as that and that. But for now, we're just gonna get started and clean the car in the interior. As I showed you guys, it's pretty dirty. So we got the equipment right here. My cousin's over there. But yeah, we're gonna get to clean the car. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the seats and clean all this. I wish I could show you guys, but honestly, I don't have a stand for my phone, so I can't really show you guys the process of cleaning the car. But we'll show you guys once we're done. We're gonna remove the seats, clean it really good. Cousin's over here with the tools, so we're gonna get to it. Transform this car today. So now we have one seat out of the car. Look at this, so disgusting. It looks like the car had a sound system, but of course they took it out before they decided to give away the car and stuff. But we're gonna see what we find up in here. Clean this car really good. Down, but so far it's looking way better. Look at the other side. I mean, you can tell it's really dirty. And we keep on finding these cables. Of course, they had a sound system, as I mentioned, probably, and they're cut right here. So we're gonna have to figure all that out, see if it has wires to the speakers or if they're missing. So we should look with that. But for right now, we're gonna focus on cleaning the car. So now we actually have more people cleaning the car. My cousin. I am the cousin. He's only half so far. Cleaning the rest of the interior, and I will update you guys once we're done with the other side, so I can show you guys like what the car in the interior looks like. We are basically done with interior. We're just gonna put the seat back, and we still have to go through the trunk, which is a mess, and the outside, of course. But this is what it looks like. Oh, someone was sitting down here, so they got the thing dirty. But it's dirty. It's, you know, way looking way better than before. Well, this is what we have so far. But we're gonna put the interior back together and clean the rest of it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. And I'm gonna have my cousin cleaning all these things with the special machine for that. So yeah. All right, guys. So that's gonna be it for today. We finished the interior. Looks way better, honestly. The dash is clean. Everything is clean. So now what we're gonna do, it's just wait till tomorrow where we can finish the rest of the car. It's my cousin cleaning his new stereo, since he's gonna keep that one off of the car. But as y'all can tell, it's looking way better than before. So now just wait till tomorrow. On the next video we're gonna be cleaning the trunk and the exterior of the car. We're gonna figure out some things, such as like right here we're seeing that it's missing some bulbs, so we're gonna get them and see what else we can do to the car to make it look more clean and stuff. But that's gonna be it for today, so just stay tuned and let's make this car great again.